gold. It's real and it's spectacular. But is it a good investment? Let's find out.
Hi everyone, I'm Oghoorian.
And I'm Matt Crisafulli, and we're ACap Advisors and Accountants, your trusted source for smart tax and financial strategies all in one place.
Today we're talking about gold, not the jewelry, but gold as an investment, such as coins, bars, or exchange-traded funds. And if you'd like to know more about exchange-traded funds, watch our other video we did on that topic.
But is gold the right investment for right now, given the current market environment? We get this question a lot, especially during times of market volatility. So let's break down the pros and cons of buying gold so you can decide if it deserves a place in your portfolio.
So let's first go over the benefits of gold. Number one, historically, gold has been considered an inflation hedge, meaning as inflation goes up, gold maintains its value or goes up higher than the value inflation. Number two, gold is considered a safe haven during times of uncertainty. So whenever we have turmoil in the markets or around the world, people tend to gravitate towards gold as a place to secure the value of their wealth. Number three, gold is considered a good diversifying asset in a portfolio because it helps minimize the overall portfolio risk. Number four, gold is also a tangible asset. For a lot of people, they like owning a tangible asset that they can feel, that they can hold, unlike maybe stocks, which are more paper oriented. And number five, gold is very easy to purchase because you can either buy them through a coin, through bars, or through exchange traded funds right through your brokerage account.
Now let's talk about the downsides of owning gold. First, gold is classified by the IRS as a collectible. So that means if held long term, you pay a higher capital gains rate on it than you would any other investment. Currently, that rate is 28%, whereas other long-term gains are taxed at a max rate of 20%. Number two, gold is a non-income producing asset. So while stocks pay dividends and bonds pay interest, gold doesn't pay either one of those. Number three, gold has storage and insurance costs. Physical gold needs secure storage and insurance. Gold ETFs bake these costs into the management fees, so sometimes you're paying a larger percentage in the management fees than you would for other stock or bond assets. Number four is the opportunity cost. Gold can stay flat for years, while other assets in the stock market might be performing very well. As a real-life example, in 2020, during the COVID pandemic, when the market dropped 40%, many people panicked and bought gold. But when the market quickly recovered, as it historically does, those who moved into gold missed out on one of the fastest stock market recoveries in history, losing the opportunity for significant long-term gain.
So Matt, I have a question for you. Can you buy gold in an IRA or like a Roth IRA or a regular IRA?
Yes, you can buy gold in an IRA, but it has to be a self-directed IRA. And not all custodians offer this option. So you need to choose a custodian that allows you to invest in alternative investments like physical gold, silver, platinum, or even palladium. And I have a question for you. Can you buy gold or precious metals in a 401k?
So generally, no, you can't buy gold or precious metals in a 401k, but you can do an indirect way of buying gold or precious metals in a 401k by buying it through a mutual fund. So what about taxes? Do I have to pay taxes if I buy gold in my IRA?
The short answer is no. As long as you hold gold within a tax advantage account like a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA, you don't pay taxes on trades and you don't pay taxes on gains until it's distributed from the account. So is gold a good investment?
If you feel comfortable owning gold because it gives you peace of mind, then gold may be the good investment for you. But if you're looking for an inflation protection, then gold is not the best option because stocks outperform inflation much better than gold. How do you protect against inflation? Comment below. Hey, if you like this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share our channel. That way we can continue to make more videos like this.